So this, if you go to caninekidneyhealth.com, you can learn all about this amazing product, okay? Check it out. If you have a dog in kidney failure, you definitely want to look into this. So we started this on the 17th. Today is the 22nd. My dog, who had no appetite whatsoever, has now got an appetite. So I want to show you what a dog who regained an appetite looks like. Lily, would you like one of these? You think you could have a puff? Okay. You want this one? Come over here. All right. Yep. She had no appetite. Come over here. No appetite. Look, ready? Get it. Yes. She's regained her appetite. This product is amazing. She regained her appetite within 3 days of taking this. Her mood is much better, right? Yes. So, yeah, this is pretty amazing. We're finding good replacement snacks. So these are organic Happy Baby Superfood Puffs. And this is a pretty decent little treat for her. And again, you can see she has regained her appetite. She had no appetite. I mean, it was a struggle to get her to eat anything. So it said in the reviews, if you read them about this product, that within the first 3 days, people's, dogs' appetites returned. Well, they're telling the truth. So check this out. It's amazing. This. caninekidneyhealth.com. And also, if you have a dog with heart problems, there is one that's called caninehearthealth.com. And let me tell you all, I'm not making anything for sharing this. Nobody's giving me any this free, none of that. No, my dog was given a short time to live because she has kidney failure. And I was just supposed to try to do my best with getting food in her and keeping weight on her, which wasn't working because she was barely eating and it was getting harder each and every day. This has made a difference, and we get these numbers that are bad in the creatine and phosphorus and whatever levels are bad in her causing the kidney failure. We get those reversed and she's not in kidney failure. And then there's maintenance programs that they offer. So check this out. Again, this is so worth it, okay? It's so worth it. And just check it out. What have you got to lose? All right, ready? Peace.